Look no further than the 2021 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.